No, no, I want to help. No, 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 no. I want to help. Oh, gosh.
Watch out for Mommy's coffee.
Hey, the car hit Mommy's coffee.
Uh-oh. You gonna get in big trouble.
Help me! Help me!
You can stack them high.
Help me! Help me!
Davis, do you need help?
Oh.
Come ask Mommy.
Pee!
I would love to help you. Look, will you let Belle out? You see Belle stuck in there? Push. 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 You got it. Come on, Belle. In or out. That's it. That's the last time today. Thank you, Davis.
Help!
You need help?
Uh-huh.
I would love to help you.
Yay!
Teddy, you see your doggy? Look at Teddy looking at Belle. Watch out for Mommy's coffee. Don't drop a Hot Wheel in there.
Why?
Because I don't want a Hot Wheel in my coffee. I love you.
Help me! Help me!
Okay, what's the magic word?
Pee!
You got it, boy.